Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. From today, I'm going to start a new series regarding of Nmap. Today's video is about short introduction on Nmap and some basic commands. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out any videos. At the end of this video, you will learn some basic commands like how to perform a simple scan, how to run a service version scan, how to save your scan as different output formats, and how to scan a specific range of ports or a particular port. So let's start with what is Nmap. Nmap is short for Network Mapper. It is a free open source tool for vulnerability scanning and network discovery. At the time of release, Nmap was designed only to scan for open port on a target machine and only worked when run from Linux operating system. But nowadays, Nmap can be used to find live hosts on a network, port scanning, ping sweep, OS detection, and version detection as well. You can download and install Nmap from the official Nmap website. I will provide a link in the description. To run a default scan, the command is nmap space host name or IP address of machine. I'm going to scan here scanme.nmap.org. This is a free service provided by Nmap team. So if you don't have a virtual machine or any other extra computer on your network, you can scan this website. Okay, now this is our results. So as you can see here, there is 994 ports are closed. So Nmap scan by default 1000 ports. You can see what are the ports are open and what are the state and what are the services running on them. Now this is just a simple scan. When we run Nmap without specifying anything, such as the scan we just ran, the services column is filled out based on the port specification in etc services directory rather than actually analyzing the protocol. If we want to check the actual service version, we need to specify a different type of scan, which is service version scan. Running a service version scan is very simple. All we need to do is add additional flag -s capital V. Now this is very useful when someone is running a version on a non-default port. When we run service version scan, you can see more information is now being put out. We can see the actual patch version of the OpenSSH, HTTP, and nping echo services. Now I'm going to show you how to save your scan. If we are scanning a large network, it is a good idea to save your scan to a file. Nmap supports three types of output formats. One is default output, second is XML output, and third one is grep output. So the command is very simple. Starts with nmap space IP address or host name, and then -o, and then I'm gonna save this scan as a grep output. so capital G, and file name. It's done with scanning. Now let's check our output results. Okay, as you can see, this is our scan results and it is saved. So this is how you can save your scan results. As I told you earlier, Nmap only scans the top 1000 ports. However, services can be put online on any of the 65,535 ports. It is possible to specify a specific port range by using the -p flag. So if you want to scan only port 80 on a particular IP or host machine, you can type nmap-p80, which is a port number, then give IP address or host name. I will show you how to scan a particular port. I'm gonna scan here scanme.nmap.org, their website. I will scan here port 80. To scan a specific range of ports, all you need to do is just add one space hyphen and then give a range of ports. I will give as example 4000. So it will scan from 1 to 4000 ports on a target machine. There's also a useful trick to scan all 65,535 ports. You can simply use the shortcut -p-. Okay fellas, that's it for today's video. In the next week I will cover more commands, so hopefully you learned something useful today. If you have any question or suggestion, just comment down below. Thank you very much.